Hello viewers, welcome to the Style Plus channel. My name is Favor, and I am a master stylist and also the owner of Style Plus Salon in Germantown, Maryland. If this your first time on this channel, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss our next tutorial in the future. I want to also say a big thank you to all our subscribers, your support is greatly appreciated. Alright, let's move on to today's tutorial.
Please pay attention to how I'll part the hair.
You can see section out the hair. You can section the hair however you want. If you want a middle part, a side part, or you just want to leave hair all around, so just go ahead and do that, just like I'm doing. This video is about 10 minutes long, so it's not too long, so just be patient. I wanted to fast forward this part, but I wanted you guys to also see. So if before this part of the clip, I posted a video of the things that you need. So you're gonna need your rat tail comb, your elastic thread, the human hair that you're gonna use, and then you know, of course, your scissors. So in this video I'm not using human hair because I'm just doing a tutorial, but if you were to be doing like an actual client's hair, you would need human hair for this, because in order for the hair to last, you need human hair, really good quality that is not going to tangle. So once you have all your tools ready, your client's hair is shampooed and prepped, you finish parting. Now in the next clip, you're going to see how I started parting the hair and section in the back. So this technique that I'm using, it's the invisible Brazilian knot technique, where I do a roll and then I leave some hair, and then I do another roll because I didn't want to do a whole full tutorial. It's gonna take too long. But this is good for when you just want to add volume or length to someone's hair, and you don't want like too much hair on the client's head. So I hope this is not too fast and you can see. So you section the hair. All right, let's pay attention here. Oh, that was too fast. That went too fast. Okay, let's watch one more time. So you clip the hair down, take the string. So in this, when I got to this part of the head, I used 2 string instead of 1. That definitely speed up my work, because doing 1 string takes time. When you use 2 string, it just makes it a lot faster and more secure. And try not to put too much tension at the root when you start tying the string, but as you move up, then you can increase the firmness. You don't want the root to be too tight, because when it's too tight, it's gonna break the hair. Okay, once you get to the end, you hold the string. You take the string that you're tying with, and one of the ones that you left, you placed, you know, when you place the thread in the beginning, you placed it and you leave some out. So you have to take one of that thread and one of the one you were tying with to tie. Okay, and then when it's tied, you cut off strings. And then over here, while I was working, I just kept on working. I didn't cut off any hair. And now you're gonna see how I'm going to cut off the excess hair, and that's me just brushing out the hair, and none of it is coming out. So here I'm just cutting the excess hair off. Voila, and that is done. So I am new to all of this. I'm not so great at doing videos, but I know I'm gonna get better, so just be patient. If you have any questions, you can just leave me a comment and I will come back and respond. So this is me just showing the other side because I created two parts. I did a middle part and a side part, so this will help you part the hair on two sides. Okay, yep, and that's basically it. And this was really nice and full. Look at all that hair that we added. So if you're someone who like individual hair extensions, you want to be able to shampoo your hair, you want to be able to feel your scalp, this is definitely a style that you should be trying. It's a lot more affordable than getting K-tips, and they last anywhere from like 3 to like 4 months with proper maintenance. So if you live in the DMV and you would like to get this style done, just visit us at styleplussalon.com, and we will be excited to give you that transformation. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to support this channel so we can continue to grow and continue to bring you more content. I will see you in my next video. I think in my next video I'm going to show another technique of the Brazilian knot, of how to do the double knots so the hair doesn't shed. Okay, all right, I will see you again, and have a good day, you all. Bye.
So much for watching. Please subscribe and follow our other social media page at Style Plus Salon.